Bonjour, bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Et voici Ananas qui dit bonjour. Alors Ananas, oui, aujourd'hui c'est le vert. So we are going to learn how to say and how to write the color green. So how do you say the color green in French? Well, here is how it's spelled, V-E-R-T, and we say it like this, vert. Can you say that? Vert. Now notice that the T is silent, vert. Now, listen carefully because when you use vert to describe a feminine object, so if your subject is a feminine word like here, so the forest is a feminine word, la forêt. So in this case, we are going to add an extra E at the end and we will pronounce the T. So it sounds like this. La forêt est verte. Okay, so did you hear the difference? La forêt est verte. Okay, so make sure that you really pronounce that T at the end. Now, if your subject is a masculine word, like this one, le céleri, so it's masculine because it begins with le céleri est vert. So we went back to its original form. We don't need the extra E. Can you repeat after me? Le céleri est vert. One more time. Le céleri est vert. Wow! Was that easy? Oui, that was easy. C'était facile. Au revoir les amis. À la prochaine.